This is the Hemlock Bluffs Nature Preserve in Cary. I'm going to do the Chestnut Oak Trail, and I'm not even sure where I'm at. Here I am here, so I'll go down here, around here, and back here. I'll probably go see these two while I'm there. I've done this whole side over here already. Okay, we're looking at Chestnut Oak Trail. Doesn't say how long it is, and I forgot. I think it's about 2 miles. It's a pretty nice day. I said a heat advisory today, but it doesn't feel like it. I think it's 95. I guess I've been hiking in 100-degree weather. It feels cooler today, but I'm not even sweating yet. These are very well hiked trails, easy trails, mulched. I really like this tree. Take a look at that. So I took the loop. I'm going to take the loop to the right, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, I'm going to go see what the West Hemlock Bluffs are. Then I'll come back to Chestnut Oak Trail. This is just the first right off of the trail. We'll go see how far it is. Hello. Hello. I'll just walk by. Yeah, I'll just walk by. I'm going back. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Okay, I'm coming up to Beech Tree Cove. Oh. And this looks like we're just going to go down for a long ways. I'll see you at the bottom. We walked down the steps to this area. Wasn't a whole lot of steps. But anyway, we're going to go back up. Look at this tree. These are amazing hemlock trees, I guess. Beautiful. So this is off the main trail, but you would have to walk that trail to get to this, so that's why I'm taking it. Another little lookout. So I lied, it is hot out here. It would be okay if the wind was blowing, but the wind is hardly blowing. The tiniest little creek. I'm curious as to what these are. Oh, they're slugs. They're just slugs. I'm back from my hike. It was a short hike. Sometimes I like short hikes so I can go slow and see things like the slugs that were in the little hole in the tree and the toad in the little hollow. Those things you wouldn't see if you're walking fast. So I completed Chestnut Oak and Swift Creek Troop Trail. It's 1.7 miles round trip around the loop if you stop at all the outlooks. And go down and check those out as well. Easy trail, great for kids. Probably you could push a stroller. You can have your dogs on a leash. There is a fee if your dog poops and you do not clean it up. The bathrooms are closed right now because of COVID, and so is the educational center and the playgrounds. Not very many people there. Usually this parking lot is crowded. Of course, having a heat advisor today might be the reason why people are not here in the middle of the day. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share. I'm also now on Patreon. If you're interested in that, you can find the link in the comments. Until the next video, appreciate you guys. Thanks. Bye.